Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Finally, guys, let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies. So last time when we talked about it, we said we need a bit more time to see what is really going on. It's just because although market was forming the bearish pattern on the full time frame chart, the performance at the final stage of this pattern was not quite bearish. And we have suggested that actually it might be, it could shift in the same pattern but of the larger scale. So, and we said that we need to see how market will behave around it, maybe to get more signs of the possible next direction. And a few days have passed, and now it seems that our doubts were correct. This indeed market behaves not quite bearish on lower time frames. So on a monthly chart, we do not see any big shifts. Here's the January open. It still is inside of the range of the high wave, and as we said previously, the direction should be should follow the breakout. So upper breakout means upper continuation, downside breakout means deeper retracement. So now it depends on the range of this high wave pattern. On the weekly chart, we also do not see any big changes. So market shows some upward action, but range relatively small. And here we're still watching for potential pattern that may be formed here, because we have great thrusting action, and this background is possible as for Judd Napoli double repo sell, as for the Brent body buy. Besides, Brent body currently losing chances to be formed, just because normally it should be formed on the third day below the 3x3, but not the day, of course, the bar. But currently we already have the second bar below 3x3, but market still is not on the way even to the 30% support that should be touched to get the Brent body trade. So we will see what will happen next week. It will be a control week for the Brent body setup, but for now it seems that performance stands in favor of the possible double repo, which means that the before deeper retracement market could try to challenge the previous top. This is usually as double repo works like. So that's a few comments on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, here is actually what I'm meaning. So you can see what's going on currently here. Trend remains actually bearish, but market is coming, start flirting with the MACD line. We will see what will happen here. But in general, this slowdown of this bearish action and pullback, it is not normal for a hand shoulders pattern. Yes, of course, market stands at the support 92 area, but this support already has been tested twice. Here, or in 3 times. This is the third testing of this level. This is just single fib level, so it is not as strong as, for example, confidence area. And when you have the bearish pattern on the back, so as we considered previously, right? So that's the hand shoulders we talked about. You expect some acceleration to the downside. But here, obviously, we do not have it. And this performance is not typically bearish. So I would not even be surprised if we will see here some kind of the right. So you can see that we have nicely looking bullish divergence with the MACD indicator right there. So currently I wouldn't call this performance as a really bearish. This means that at this point we're not considering new shorts, and we should wait for more clarity. Particularly speaking, if you take a look once again on the daily chart, but with a different angle, you could see that potentially this pattern might be formed. At least it might be also double top, for example. If market will keep going higher, some reversal pattern might be formed here. But first we will be watching for hand shoulders. And this performance that we see, it is more typical for, for some kind of the not quite bullish, but some possible attempt of the high upward retracement, high upward action, because it seems very slow. It's very choppy. This is not the way how usually bearish pattern should develop. When you have the nicely downside action and the slope on the head, here you have something, really choppy, wobbling action. This is not good, and which put the shadow on this perspective of this pattern, and means that market could really shift to something different. And that's particularly what could happen. From that standpoint of view, as I said, currently we're not considering taking any new short, and we'll be watching for the 100 level where a potential right arm might be formed. And in general, we will be watching for some extensions. On the hourly chart, it might be some kind of the ABCD pattern here that could lead market to this level. So if we set here some fib extensions, we could see where the targets actually stand. So maybe one of them will be around the top of the right arm. So potentially you could see that 1618 extension stands precisely at 150. That's potentially a target of this ABCD pattern that may be considered, which is agrees with the daily potential right arm top. So whether to take long positions here or not, this choice is up to you, because this is intraday performance, but formally you could consider it. Probably stops have to be placed either below these lows or even below these lows if you would like to. And you could consider the same target, so you could use any extensions of these ABCD patterns as a potential target, depending on your tasks that you have on your trading strategy. So that into words that we have as a bottom line: no shorts by far. Potential market could reach 100 even area, where we once again return back to the idea of the possible taking short position if we will get clear hand shorts pattern on the daily chart.